Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Latika and Wonderland. Today I am going to do an experiment called water fireworks. For this we need water, oil, chemical flask, 2 food colors, stirring stick and measuring cylinder. First pour 3 to 4 of the water into the chemical flask. Then pour 15 ml of oil into the measuring cylinder. Then add 2 drops of food colors into the oil. Then stir it well. Then pour the oil into the chemical flask. Now see the magic. Yeah. Well, that's mostly red. Is it? It's falling. It's only because of the oil, right? So good.